What's up guys, Louie here of YugaTech. Do you ever get those days when you want to watch your favorite local telenovelas but your schedule isn't cooperating? Well, ABS-CBN has a solution to that and it's called the TVPlus Go. We're gonna check out this little device to see if it's worth buying. The TVPlus Go is a tiny device that connects to your smartphone and turns it into a DTV. It lets you watch local channels for free. It's basically the mobile version of the TVPlus Black Box. Let's check it out. It's as small as a thumb drive with a micro USB interface. If you have a USB Type-C port, you'll need to use a micro USB to USB-C adapter. In the package, you also get an antenna. Plus, what's good is it's detachable, so you can safely store it in your bag or in your pocket. Now, before you start setting it up, you have to note two things. First, you have to make sure that your device is running on Android 5.0 Lollipop or later, has a dual-core CPU or higher with at least 1GB of RAM. Second, make sure that you're using your own phone or tablet because you'll need to pay a 40 pesos registration fee when you use it on a second Android device, then 20 pesos on the third. The first device, however, is free. This is a bit of a bummer since you'll have to pay just to use it on other devices, so you can't just simply share it with anyone. You can skip the registration part, but you won't have access to the exclusive channels such as Cinemo, Yay, Knowledge Channel, or Mix, to name a few. When that's all set, you'll need to download the TVPlus Go app on the Google Play Store. Then connect the TVPlus Go to your smartphone. Once the app detects the TVPlus Go, it will start searching for channels. Note that the number of channels identified and quality would depend on your location, so it's better if you're near the window when you're at home. After this, you can start watching already. We tried it on the Huawei Y Max to see how it looks on a smartphone with a big screen. It's not 1080p quality, but it still looks great. The interface is easy to understand, plus you can adjust the aspect ratio from 4:3 to 16:9 to full screen. You can also go to settings to manually scan for channels and check on signal information. Switching between channels is also relatively quick. So far, we didn't experience any lag or stuttering, and the audio quality mostly depends on your phone's loudspeaker or headphones. We've been watching shows for hours and didn't feel any significant warming, and that's good. So far, my experience with it is really good, and I'd recommend it to anyone who wants to watch their favorite local channels on the go, like when you're commuting. What's good is internet connection is not required, and there are no subscription fees, but as I've said earlier, there are extra fees when you change devices. Now, how much is it and where to buy it? Well, the TVPlus Go is priced at 799 pesos and is available in Cellboy and Celltime branches in SM malls. So, what do you guys think of the ABS-CBN TVPlus Go? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. And don't forget to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this is Louie of YugaTech. Bye mga kapamilya!